Welcome to Reviify. Watch this video to find out how to insert reviews on your homepage of your Shopify store with the Reviify app. After installing the app and importing reviews, you should make reviews visible on your homepage. The easiest way to make reviews visible on your homepage is to go to the Wizard tab, find Reviews on Homepage, and click Install Now button. You can see that reviews have appeared in the bottom of the home page. The other way to insert reviews on the home page is to insert codes in the theme you're using. You can find all the codes you need in the Help section on the Reviify Dashboard. Also, these codes will be available in the description of this video. First, in the Shopify panel, go to Online Stores and then choose Themes. In the current theme, find Actions and edit code. Now, we're going to insert reviews on the home page. First step is to go to Layout folder and pick theme.liquid file. Check, do you have this code inserted? It should be in the bottom of the page. As you can see, the code is already there, but if you don't see it, copy the code, paste it, and click the Save button. The next step is to find the Templates folder and pick the index.liquid file. Copy this code and paste it into the file. Please keep in mind that each theme is different, so you may have different file names where you need to insert codes. Click the Save button. You can see that reviews are now visible in the bottom of the home page. That's all. See you in another video.